In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your iPhone screen color back to normal. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. As you can see, now my screen is a little pink. It could also be greenish or bluish. It doesn't make any difference because the way to fix it won't be any different. So let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to settings, then just scroll down until you find accessibility, and here we need to tap at display and text size. So first off, guys, we need to scroll down until we find color filters here. As you can see, now in my case it is turned on, and it affects on this pink overlay on my screen, and also your screen can be black and white, and also it can have inverted colors like in that cases. Basically, guys, here all we have to do to get rid of it is just deactivate that option. And also, if we go back to display and text size, here we need to make sure that smart invert or classic invert are also toggled off like in that case, because if they are turned on, your screen may also look different, especially when some filters enabled. Your screen can look like that. So just keep both of these options turned off and also deactivate color filter. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.